I wonder how it sounds when I get close. Does that sound better? I sound like Barry White. That's one of them. Oh my life, only one like you. Is that Barry White? I hope that's Barry White. They're gonna fuck me up if it ain't.
It'll fuck me up because I was agreeing with you.
You are now tuned in to Rolling with Rock podcast. Is this thing even on?
Vibe check, baby. How you liking the mics?
I like the mic. I really like the Cheez-Its. Bud Light's good. You sound great in the microphone.
Even far away?
Yeah, it's picking up nice.
I'm moving around.
Nicely.
Making a sound. I feel like
That's going to be my problem. I'm just going to get stuck like this probably most of the time. USB.
Gotta see what's going on here on the camera.
Tell me about these chairs. Like, are they comfortable enough or no?
These are more than comfortable.
How are you getting it back so far though?
I'm heavy.
Yeah, I am not.
Okay, see, now it sounds so much better when you're up on your microphone, and it sounds so much better when I am.
That's not okay. This is okay? No. Let me play with the microphone.
Take your little fuzzy ball thing off.
Take the
the black fuzzy ball. What did I do to it whenever?
I don't know what you did to it.
No, when I
I don't know what you did to the fucking black fuzzy ball, but keep it over there.
When I first put it on.
I'm like, what is that, yo?
It's a lot of fuzz on here, bro. I gotta keep the fuzz off my balls, man.
Fucking black fuzzy balls. That's what you've learned today.
Oh god, that's funny as fuck. Fuzzy balls. This is our practice, man. This is a dope ass practice, man. This is a little.
Y'all, that's just funny as fuck.
I'm with it.
We're gonna have bloopers.
Cheers again?
Again, yeah.
I'm turning this.
Because I'm funny. Let me tell y'all how funny.
Let me tell you, I'm about to show them.
I gotta get another piece of wood.
Oh, shit. Look under there.
Don't tell me. No, it went all the way through.
I'm bleeding like a motherfucker on this bitch. Bruh, screw me. She screwed me in this bitch, bro.
Y'all, I need a break.
I love this
Take
shit.
me out, coach.
I love this shit.
Look at me over here crying.
I love this shit. I was there like, oh shit, what the fuck is that?
Dude,
So we gonna have to just
Okay, I just gotta clip them off. I'll break them off.
So you watch yourself too then.
Yeah, they're right there.
How about we just be cognizant?
Thanks for taking one for the team.
For the team.
You just got screwed.
Fucking leg up. You can probably file those off. Clip them little motherfuckers up.
I got y'all's popcorn. I got my Cheez-Its.
What is happening? My coaster is just not.
It's trash.
So we in the Loop. What is the Loop? Where we at? We here. What place is this? Like little heaven?
It's a place that links other unique people together. It's heaven. It is. It's a fucking.
It's your own little version of.
It's just a vibe.
I'm with that.
You're in a good atmosphere.
If I poke myself one more fucking time. All right.
Put your seat down lower. You probably already is low.
Oh, damn. That's as far down as I go.
Even if I wanted to push down, it probably wouldn't go. I'm not heavy enough. I'd be like.
Bruh. It's lit. We in the Loop.
That's funny.
I'm loving the vibe. It's colorful.
Somewhere.
I'm loving the colors.
The original style.
I don't even know how I look. I probably look a hot mess express, but they're gonna have to just deal with it.
It's a blooper film.
Oops.
Don't hit the screw.
All right, we're learning what not to do on this.
Don't hit the screw.
That little screw got me. Blood, guts, and so I gave my blood. You gave tears. Your dogs are singing. Listen. I heard. I said, wait a minute.
They heard you say listen to them, and they stopped.
I said, you got them in there training like the Jackson 5.
Yeah, look, he heard you too. He's listened to our whole conversation.
Testing. We gonna be right here. We're gonna be right here. We're gonna be right here. We're gonna be right here. Not right there. Nope. Never here. Yep. Right there.
That's
Boom.
good. Yeah.
We here. Is this better? Wetter?
Better?
Like a sweater? Go get her. Here we go. We're here. We are here, ladies and gentlemen.
I'm good. Getting to where I need. How I gotta get there.
You hear yourself better right there.
So much better.
Yeah. I agree. Except I can hear
You hear that? I was like, yep.
Hold on.
I can feel it. Yep. Except.
Oh,
You
this
couldn't
is...
hear that back here. And then
This is... I love this shit, man. This is why I love this shit. Life's good.
I'm pretty excited.
We're alive. We're here. We're here. We're here. And we're near. I had gotta play it by the ear. Hey, what you got? That's sitting over there. Creep, 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 come here. I need to hit that pin.
Ooh, yeah.
Thanks, my friend.
Thanks, my friend. Hello. I like the front.
Can you hear yourself now?
Hello. Not really. Hello. Yeah.
Boom.
Yeah, this is
Boom,
nice.
bop, bam.
Thank you. Hello.
Ooh.
Yeah. Ooh.
Maybe
Make our own voices for